Hi. Hope everyone's having a good day. My daughter on Christmas said, I know you like knives, so I got you that. It's like a Ozark Trail sword or something. What the heck? Looks dangerous. Oh, yeah. Nice. Needs a little sharpening. Maybe a strap. And I have something from the River's Edge Cutlery. Will it cut the box open? Machete. Yeah. What is this? Some more tape or something. That's cool. Little thank you thing. First time I've ordered from here. Some brown paper. Box. Sharp by Design. I haven't checked any of these out yet. Do not eat. Where's the knife? There it is. I managed to go Black Friday without buying a knife. Christmas sales and didn't buy a knife. New Year's sale got me. These guys were on sale. The Mini Evo. Kind of hesitant. I wasn't sure about the size of these. It's kind of smaller than what I usually like. I really like the size of the Field Duty. It's about the same length. It's just, well, no, a bit shorter. A lot thinner. I just love the feel of this. Let's see what this is like. Not terribly small. First to flick. That's pretty good. Get a full grip on it. Decent sized blade. Just a tad under 3.5 inches. It's a good sized blade in this little thing. Yeah. Nice looking Nice looking knife. Sharp by design. Really like the fuller. Very cool. The Mini Evo. Is it too small? No. I think it's a keeper. I like this thing. I'm gonna go check this out. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.